Hello, my beautiful friends. Today I have a review of a tool called Mav Social. So in my hunt for the perfect social media management tool, I'm just trying out different ones. I want to see what's out there, and I wanted to review some of the lesser known ones. So naturally, I found out about Mav Social just through Google. This is Mav Social's website. They support Instagram, Facebook, all of these. I think this is WeChat and Messenger. This is what it looks like, and I'll show you what it looks like from my account side. You can engage with people, so it's not just scheduling, it's full management. And they're partners with Instagram, so you don't have to worry about having an app on your phone and having to open up that app and then open up Instagram and posting it organically. This will actually just post it on your behalf. So let's take a look. When you log into Mav Social, this is what you'll see. Basically a breakdown of your accounts, and my data hasn't uploaded to this yet because I just started adding in my accounts, so it's kind of bare bones right now. Like, I don't have 0 posts on LinkedIn. The one thing that I do want to mention that's kind of annoying right off the bat is the post manager. So this is where you go to post. And let's say I want to post to my Twitter account. But I like this part where it's just like, just trying out Mav Social review to come. So I like this part because if you want to post across all of these, you can actually have the master post. So maybe that works for Facebook, maybe it works for Twitter. So I would have that, and then on Twitter, instead of having just that, I would put social media marketing, social media, sure. It actually gives you a really great preview of what your tweet is going to look like or your post. But the one thing that I hate and is kind of annoying is I'll show you. So let's hit publish. My post is being processed. It's been posted successfully. But this page doesn't reload so that I can add in another post. I literally have to go over here and click Post Manager again. Basically just reloading this page and then enter in my new post. But you can have besides that, you can have different categories or content folders, I guess you would call them, or they call them here campaigns. So right now I don't really have any campaigns put in just because I haven't added any. I have just like a random campaign where it's just like miscellaneous, where I just post whatever I want. And then reporting, I am kind of dissatisfied with reporting because I don't actually get to see my stats, and they said it should take up to 24 hours for your stats to come in. But I signed up with my Twitter account, or I inputted my Twitter account into Mav Social about 3 or 4 days ago, and then yesterday I had asked, or 2 days later I had asked for support, like, okay, well, reporting is really important to me, so I need to see what the reports will look like for my clients. And then they just said, oh, it takes up to 24 hours for your data to get pulled. Contact us again if it's been longer than 24 hours. And I was like, okay, that kind of sucks for customer support, but sure, I'll just accept it and I'll just contact them again. There's a social inbox where you can pretty much see any messages, any tweets you've received. I don't know when, if it just hasn't been pulled in yet, but I'm just like, where are my messages? Besides direct messages, where are my mentions? And I know that I've gotten mentions because I'm fairly active on Twitter, and I did post earlier today, but there's no messages to show, which is annoying. So maybe it's just an issue with Twitter and the way that this tool talks to Twitter, but it's just annoying. Let's go into social listening. This is basically you type in a keyword. So you type in a keyword here. You can exclude words, and you can filter it out by if you want to exclude or include retweets, which is pretty helpful. And then you click add, and then this is what is going to show up. right now I just have Edmonton news because I am from Edmonton. I'm not sure entirely. Okay. I can't, like, it's kind of weird because Edmonton news, but nowhere here does it say the word news. So I'm not sure what they use for searching. Maybe it's just the word Edmonton that they're looking up. I'd have to look into this further. Let's just go. If we go Edmonton, is it going to return the exact same search query? Okay, I don't know what's going on, but sure. For some reason, so I put in Edmonton news, but then some of the tweets that came up don't even mention the word news, so I'm not sure how this actually works. I'm going to have to look into that deeper. Digital library is basically where you upload things. So let's see what I have done. Probably something not really interesting. Okay, so I have a couple things that I've uploaded, some screenshots of social media fails that I post to my Tumblr account, and you get 100 gigabytes of storage. You can upload audio, social assets. What are social assets? I'm not entirely sure what social assets are, but it's there. Oh. Okay. All right, so I haven't tried that out. It does sound really interesting, and it's something that is appealing to me and would make me want to subscribe, minus everything else if that actually works properly. This is where I'd imagine you put in your RSS feeds and then subscriptions if I want to add a team member or an additional user. I think. Let's go look. If I wanted to add more additional users to the plan that I'm trialing, it would be $24 a month or $240 a year for an extra member. Extra storage is $2 for 100 gigabytes. I'm trialing the Pro plan, which includes 3 users and 100 gigabytes of storage. So if I wanted to add more storage, then I can add it on for $2. But this doesn't actually indicate, okay, so it is $2 monthly. I would like it because it says $24 a month. I'd like it if they actually outlined or said $2 a month or something like that, just to make it helpful. Unless it's just a flat rate. No, it's $2 a month. So I believe that this user's audit section it would show the activity and what they're doing on the accounts, which is really cool because, I mean, if you have a team member that you kind of is new and you kind of want to keep an eye on them to make sure that they're doing everything correctly, you can use that. I'm guessing that's what it's for. Overall, I'd say that I'm fairly happy with Mav Social. Like, definitely it's something that I am going to consider in the future switching to. I have all of my accounts set up. I haven't really super played with it yet, but just those little quirks like having to reload the post manager page after you hit publish or schedule. I do like the campaign idea. Reporting is kind of disappointing, obviously, because my Twitter information did not feed in, so I can't actually see what a report would look like if it was a client's Twitter account. Social inbox, nothing fed in, so I don't even know, does that function work? Social listening, I'm not sure how they use the search queries or the keywords that you're looking for. I'm going to look into that deeper. But for overall, like, just for social media management, this tool, I think, is ideal, especially if you're on a budget. So if we go back here, we can look at pricing. And so the Pro account is the one that I'm trialing right now. And you can see, like, compared to other social media tools, like, this is fairly affordable because you get 3 users and then you get 30 social profiles. You can see that this depending on your needs, this actually might be a great tool for you, especially if you don't have a large team. But again, you have the option to add up to 2 additional users, and then the price obviously increases. But again, like, these prices compared to other ones are actually pretty affordable, and I don't know, like, I would be happy with this if I needed a new tool. So what are your thoughts on Mav Social? Have you tried it? I'm going to contact them about my support ticket, about the data not feeding in, and figure out how they use that freaking keyword search social listening tool. Anyways, if you have a tool that you want reviewed, let me know. Please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, and like this video, and I will be doing more stuff like this in the future. Or you can check the playlist of tools I have reviewed in the past. Okay, bye.